Hello again everyone, and welcome back to another Viewers Vehicle Special. Now, it's been a while since we had one of these, but Liz got in touch with me to let me know that the Morris Minor convertible that we featured in some of these earlier videos has now been finished. It's undergone a full restoration at West Riding Classic Cars, and Liz sent me these photos of her and Chaz going up to collect it. As you might remember from earlier videos, it's a convertible and it's in Old English white, and what a fantastic job they've made of it up at West Riding Classic Cars. I think it's had a bit of engine work as well, and yeah, the paintwork and the hood and the upholstery all look absolutely fantastic. Chaz and Liz took a trailer up to bring it back home, and yeah, Liz sent me some of these photos of it in its new accommodation, and yeah, it looks like Chaz is very pleased with it. It is Liz's car, but yeah, Chaz seems to have taken to it as well. Lovely to see such care being taken over restoration of an old car like this, and I believe it's not its first restoration. It had been restored before and then obviously deteriorated over time, and then when Chaz and Liz bought it, it needed restoring again. So I think it's its second restoration. But yeah, what a fantastic car. Now, I hope you've enjoyed seeing Chaz and Liz's Morris Minor. Don't forget, if you'd like one of your project cars, classic cars, motorhome, boat, motorcycle, whatever it is, featured in one of our Viewers Vehicle specials, then get in touch with me at the email address in the description of this video. Well, that's all from me for the moment, and we'll see you again very soon in another video.